Conditions at the Skagit Airport are much different than they are here at the Abbotsford Airport. They're experiencing some liquid sunshine down there, whereas here we're enjoying a beautiful August evening here in Abbotsford. And folks, if you look up to your left, you will see the B-25 circling in. For 10 years, B-25 Grumpy supported the surviving Doolittle Raiders at reunions and memorials. Today, all the Raiders have passed, but their heroic mission on April 18, 1942, less than 5 months after Pearl Harbor, grows in stature with each passing year. Listen to this as John Sessions brings in Grumpy. The B-25 and belongs to the historic flight foundation. Sessions believes the Mitchell has the soul of a fighter plane in a bomber's airframe. And now, folks, as John pops the landing gear, we're actually going to go live to the cockpit and visit with John for just a few moments. Roy, can we dial him up? Sometimes it gets so loud in the B-25 it's difficult for them to hear. Well, it is great to have you back here, John. And are you talking to him? It's great to have you here, my friend. John Sessions ought to know he is one of 3 female B-25 pilots in the United States and instructs in this aircraft, as I mentioned. When not flying for Historic Flight Foundation, Vera works as a senior aerodynamicist on the next model of Boeing aircraft. Folks, does it look like these pilots are having fun? Now, I understand that they're going to perform for us a number of wingovers, and you can see that John and Jay have got the B-25 turned around, and they are now coming in from our left. Now, these wingovers are flown without a change to the power settings. The top end of the wing over, the pilot will drop the nose at the top at about 100 knots and at 0 Gs. Coming down the chute, the aircraft may reach 300 knots. It's all about energy management here, folks. Did you know that the Mitchell was designed in less than 3 months using slide rules and pencils? It's true. In fact, many World War II aircraft were designed sometimes even on a napkin or a scrap piece of paper and were built in very, very short periods of time. The P-51 Mustang that we saw just earlier is another example of an aircraft that was designed in very short order. That was the first wing over. Now John is diving for airspeed coming in from our right, and I believe they're going to perform for us. During World War II, Grumpy was a land-lease aircraft. Correction, land-lease aircraft, I should get this right. Flying first for the United States Army Air Corps, then the Royal Canadian Air Force, then the Royal Air Force. After the war, it rejoined the Royal Canadian Air Force to fly coastal patrols. Upon retirement from military service, it fought fires in Alaska and northern Canada from its base in Fairbanks. When the U.S. discontinued using B-25s to fight fires, Grumpy began its current career as an airshow favorite. Folks, I think you're going to want to get your cameras ready because John Sessions and Jay Pemberton are setting up for a photo pass. This will be your opportunity to get a golden hour shot of this oldest airworthy B-25 still flying from the historic Flight Foundation based in Spokane. From the left,